They've been a band for 4 years.
They'll be in LA for the next week.
And so they did a West Coast show about their 6 months after being a band, like what, 4 years ago, you know?
Crazy
so,
talented.
yeah, so this is their first time back and my first time doing a West Coast show with them. So
Awesome. What instrument do you play?
in the band, I play synthesizer percussion.
Cool.
Yeah.
Did you look at the synthesizer room?
That's like the first thing I saw when I walked in. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, we got some fun stuff.
Oh man, yeah, I mean, I was even checking out the percussion stuff. It's like, I'm a percussionist. So percussion youth and, you know.
I don't have tons, but I have a few things, you know.
Yeah, we try to look for camping and like and personalities for like this cool, you know. Here, you know? It was awesome. And the whole room was out.
Vince, he's working today. We went out for a big breakfast. Today's gonna be kind of a busy day.
How far along are y'all?
I think this is day 4. We got like 10 days. We're just kind of writing, and we got it's a pretty cool project. We're gonna do this whole show in planetarium, like projections and stuff. So we're in the middle of just writing. How it's gonna be. We're about halfway through the record.
Oh, that's all right.
Wait, it's not a big like. It's a good show.
Fixed those digestives for breakfast.
That's really good.
Imagine that.
How much is it?
At Sam's Market, it's about $50 off the shelf.
Is that somewhere right over here in
It's
town?
right down there.
Oh, I think it's in.
3 stories high.
Yeah.
Slats of wood.
Well, we're just getting the AGVs too in Texas.
It's a big sale.
Really?
It's like, it's called sale. It's like,
Yeah, we'll get all these.
Most impatience in life when that would be
by Martha area.
Yeah.
This strike. Now,
Good for you. I like that. I mean,
Is that healthy?
It is. All in,
I'm really
Yeah, we went to Waldo in January. We're not really, you know, we're like never like. Yeah, I'm dying or like.
Yeah. Remember that? I remember El Paso back in the day.
But there's a couple that play in there.
Were you there? You all on one side of the border, on the other side of the border.
Guys, we play with drums. They always have guest bass players, different bass players. And they've been there, I think, for 25 years.
I hear a lot of bustle going on out here.
That sounds good.
But you know, luckily there's more breakfast places opening up.
Is it all the
Yeah, I don't know.
from the plane or?
At the bar
Cool, so
itself.
you're doing some real. We are here doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna see. Right, we got to make a list.
My best friend's got
Does that check your
my best friend's had a house there for the last 20 years, and I had.
Yeah, it does. Well, it never works for the last 20 years. So
Hey, you have lots of quarters.
You want all our quarters?
I went 4 hands poker
I always
yesterday.
come out like baked potato.
Oh, is that good?